Militant and vocal war veteran leader Blessed Bombshell Geza has resurfaced on X after his recent hit-and-run attack on President Emmerson Mnangagwa, saying he must go because he has dismally failed and destroyed the country through nepotism, corruption and incompetence. Saka pena mashoko atoma kuti aiwa Bombshell panguva ino adzoka manje. Zvinonzi kuonekwa nevanhu kuti mukomana uyu panguva ino ava kuuya achizoita the final push. He is now coming to execute the signal. Yatiri kuona kuti this signal ine vamwe vatu vamujere nekuda kwayo. Sambira mashoko amunonyorwa panapa kuti subscribe or like what on the bell kuti ipina panapa mudanirwa muchinzi Geza, together with the other war veteran leaders, launched fierce attacks on Mnangagwa before disappearing amid silence. His resurfacing in military gap signals political trouble ahead as Mnangagwa faces another test of tenacity and endurance. Police say they have launched a manhunt for Geza, leveling 4 criminal charges against him, including insulting the president and inciting public violence. Geza's sensational statements have caused political tensions linked to the ruling ZANU-PF party, succession internal strife, and led to the arrest of journalist Blessed Mhlanga. Geza and the other war veterans are supporting Vice President Constantino Chiwenga in the intensifying succession battle against President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who wants to extend his rule beyond his 2028 second term constitutional limit to 2030 by proxy. Although he denies it, the succession battle has put Zimbabwe on a path to renewed political instability and chaos. Tomas kwabrejo kwapana pana wakomana the news hawks achiti awa kurisafisa kweta mukomana Bombshell kwanyasa kupa a true picture yekuti this guy is serious and vada kustopa 2030. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.